Studio Bike Pro delivers personal training to your home with full-body workouts designed to help you reach your fitness goals, with a 1-year iFit membership included with your purchase.
Keep it up, you're doing great!
Interactive training like you've never felt before. Move and sweat through an expansive collection of streamed, trainer-led workouts.
2, 1, go!
Our trainers guide your exercise by controlling your bike's resistance to match the intensity of their workout, all from the comfort of your own home.
All right, make sure we're keeping our RPE down.
Interactive training means getting more than just a cycling experience. Now you can follow your trainer through cross-training workouts, both on and off your bike.
Here we go. Into the saddle, I'm dropping you down.
The Studio Pro features a pivoting screen with smart swivel design, so you can turn the screen 180 degrees in either direction, as well as tilt up or down, allowing you to be able to follow your trainer from any angle. Featuring a 10-inch Smart HD touchscreen display and 22 digital levels of resistance, you will truly feel the ups and downs while following your trainer up the mountains of Switzerland.
Keep going.
Or through the breathtaking French countryside. Interactive personal training in your home with the Studio Bike Pro from ProForm.
The all-new S27i studio bike from NordicTrack is the ultimate in-home fitness experience. With iFit, see the results of personalized training with our team of elite trainers as they guide your workouts from stunning locations across the globe. The experience is brought to life in beautiful detail on the instantly responsive 27-inch touchscreen. Live adjust technology automatically adjusts your bike's incline and resistance to synchronize your workout with your trainer. Rugged Icelandic terrain to soft sands of Hawaiian coast. iFit moves well beyond just cardio. Step off your bike and use the tilt and pivoting screen for guided weight training or relaxing yoga session. Our most advanced sound clearer audio for an even more immersive workout. The S27i is built to last with an industry-leading warranty. Take the first step on a lifelong fitness journey with the NordicTrack S27i.
Providing a premium, heart-pumping indoor cycling experience that combines digital connectivity with superior Schwinn quality. The IC4's smooth, quiet ride features magnetic resistance with 100 micro-adjustable resistance levels, an intuitive resistance knob, a beautiful backlit LCD display, adjustable race-style seat, dual-link pedals with toe cages, and a pair of 3-pound dumbbells with easy-reach cradles. Place your phone or tablet on the media rack and keep them charged with the IC4's convenient USB charging station, extra-large dipped handlebars for premium grip, and dual water bottle holders for staying hydrated. The Schwinn IC4 comes with a slim, comfortable, Bluetooth-enabled heart rate armband that continuously monitors heart rate to help you stay within your target zone. But the best part about the IC4 is premium digital connectivity. Digitally immerse yourself in a world of virtual races, exotic locales, and stunning trails from around the globe, with connectivity to popular cycling apps like Explore the World, Zwift, and more. Fitness was never meant to be put in a box, and neither were you. Escape the everyday with the Schwinn IC4 bike, your ticket to a life well lived.
Get less stationary and more bike with the BowFlex VeloCore bike. Your arms and core while you ride. Plus, with your Journey membership, you can experience epic trainer-led workouts designed specifically for the VeloCore bike. Our team of motivating and inspiring trainers keep you pushing through each exciting curve and hill. Do more with VeloCore.
To adjust the height of the handlebars, use this lever right here. Bring them up to where you want them, and then tighten. To adjust the height of the saddle, use this lever right here. You want it about hip height. Once you're there, tighten it. Same thing. You can adjust the fore and aft of that saddle right here. Here's your resistance knob. Right turns to feel that resistance come in. Left turns to take it off. And our favorite, the lean lock. Press down to lean, side to side. And then to lock it back up, move center, press down, pull up.